me. What can you say about the trailer?
Puro away. Dami na namang problema. Ito na naman tayo eh.
Intense! Curious ako kung si Jigs at saka si Hope sasali ba sa Especially For You soon. Hindi ko sure. Kasi ang dami nangyayari sa Zoomer Season 2. Well, hindi ako talaga magtatanong today because we have here our folks, our friends from the press. Well, with that being said, let's kick off our MediaCon. We have here Sir Aaron to help me. Siya yung ating media manager, si Sir Aaron. Hi, Sir Aaron! Ayan. Palakpakan kami kasama ngayon kay Sir Aaron!
Hi, Nikki!
Hello, sir!
Congratulations, Zoomer!
Thank you.
Congratulations, Director! And kay RCD. Alright, our first question will come from Michael Bix Almacen of Bix Buzz.
Hello, nagulat naman ako po yung una. Teka lang, isi-zoom ko muna yung cellphone ko.
Go lang, take your time.
Mag-zoom, teka lang.
Zoomers, that's why Zoomers are here. So you can zoom it in.
Oo nga. Diba, ang gagwapo nila, no? Ang gaganda. Pero, ano pa karamdam nyo na super lakas nung unang season? At saka parang most watched made for YouTube series ko itong Zoomers. Let's start with Direct Ted.
Yes! Thank you, Bix! Of course, syempre, we were pleasantly surprised. Nung binalita sa amin ng YouTube na yun na nga, most watched yung Zoomers sa lahat ng made for YouTube series or ngayon ABS-CBN Studios na we're happy for the kids. Kasi when Derek Lauren conceptualized the show, it's really meant to launch new stars from Star Magic. Kaya nga nagsimula sa reality show. And then ngayon, it just proves na meron kaming na-launch kasi maraming nanood nung first season.
Kay Direct, bagong director.
Derek Kevin. Si Derek Kevin po ang director ng season.
Ng season 2.
Yeah.
Definitely I wasn't part of the first season. But I definitely watched it. No, bago pa
Impression
naman
ba?
simula. I think malala. Wala lang si Direk Lauren pa dito, pero very few lang yung sinabi niya sa akin before the shoot. And ang revelation ay nakasalalay raw sa akin kung may season 3. So, that's needless to say.
Akin na Harvey at Liza. Ano pakiramdam na matagumpay yung unang season?
Yun nga po, sabi ni Director, sobrang nagulat din po kami. Kasi kami dalawa ni Harvey, this is our first lead role. So, thank you po. As much as nag-expect kami, parang nandun pa rin po yung gulat na mamahalin pa na ng mga tao yung first na ginawa po namin together. So, yun po.
Ay Harvey, nag-open ng doors tong Zoomer ha? Ang dami mong project after Zoomer.
Opo, ayun nga po eh. Yeah, I think on behalf of the cast, I can say that we really weren't expecting season 1 to blow up the way it did. Kaya ayun, ako personally am very thankful na nandito kami ngayon sa MediaCon ng season 2. It's very exciting na we get to continue the story ng Zoomers. And yeah, I'm happy to be with Direk Ken and the rest of the cast here for season 2.
Pero sa mga boys, paano nyo pinagdaan yung yung, kasi sa beach to kinuhana, paano nyo pinagdaan yung mga, alam nyo ba yun?
Parang kailangan si Ralph muna yung kasi siya may topless eh.
Madalas naman mag-topless si Rap sa social media.
Alam ba? Pero sa nakita niyo naman sa trailer, nasa beach kami. So syempre pinaghandaan po namin yan, to the diet, to the workout. Kahit nandun po kami sa resort sa La Playa, Estrella, sa Zambales. Ako po, siguro mga 2 meals a day lang, minsan walang breakfast. Or kung may eksena na po sa umaga, di po talaga ako kakain. So it's all part of the job for me, and it shows na kailangan din po namin paghandaan yung mga roles namin, not just the emotional aspect, pero syempre mas lalo na dito yung physical, di ba?
The discipline, in fairness.
What's up? Flex muna rin. Di, honestly, ang hirap mag-dieta sa beach kasi daming daming food. Yeah. Harvey, Boss Harvey, thank you. Pero yun lang, like what Ralph, actually, I'm proud with what Ralph did nung last time Kasi he really, parang nag-intermittent fast na si Ralph. He didn't eat breakfast, he didn't eat lunch. to the point na parang, uy, Ralph, kumain ka nga, baka ma-faint ka or something, diba? So, yun.
Yan, wala pa sa direct Lauren. Sige, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank
Thank you
you.
po.
Ayan. Next, Ay! Okay! Meron pa pala, sorry. Nasabaw yung host. Sorry. For the work. Ayan. And of course, before we proceed with the questions, we have to unveil the official poster. Are you guys excited? Yes! Kailangan matindi muna yung intense talaga ng pagka-ano natin, pagka-excite. Let me hear you say yes! Yeah! Hey, ilalabas na ba? Ilalabas na?
Drum roll!
Pilit muna. Sige na. Let's all watch this. Let's count 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ba't ganyan si Direk Martin?
Yeah!
What can I say?
Actually, first time lang din po namin nakita tong poster.
Ang ganda!
There you go, the official poster of the Zoomer Season 2. Yeah. So directed by Direk Kevin Z. Alhambra. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Aaron, for reminding me. Oh, may nag-i-inquire kasi Rocky. Alam naman di ko sagutin. Sorry. Eto, let's proceed with the questions, guys. Kasi I have here questions then from the press. Hold on, open ko lang yung Viber. Wait lang. Pasensya na po talaga. Asan na ba yun na message ni Miss Jess? Eto na. Ayan. Babasahin ko lang. Para lang transparent tayong lahat, mga anak. Okay, we have your question for Harvey. Alright, are you ready?
Saan?
Harvey, your question is... Game ka na ba? Season 1 garnered a lot of positive feedback for its relatable portrayal of Gen Z. How has the audience's reaction impacted your approach to your characters in Season 2? Kamay sa dibdib? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Ako, I feel like, alam mo, you know, reading yung tweets ng audience from Season 1, may mga insights sila na hindi ko naisip bilang artista ni Jigs. Na parang, oo nga no, but this is a good way of looking at yung character ni Jigs or where he's coming from or yung, I guess, motivations niya as a character. So definitely, reading the tweets, seeing yung response ng mga tao online, it did impact my performance in a way na parang I'm more careful with yung approach ko kay Jigs sa Season 2. I feel like, you know, through Direk Kev, nahanap namin yung puso ng characters, pero malaki din ang influence ng fans in terms of how they see the character, kung paano nila na-interpret si Jigs in their own way. So I just took influences here from tweets and from Direk Kev and my own. Tapos yun, din nabuo yung character ni Jigs talaga Season 2.
Somehow parang naging interactive siya.
Yeah,
diba?
Oo.
Ganda. Ay, may personal question ako. Kasi you're dominating primetime eh. The High Street, Pamilya Sagrado. Baka susunod pa ng TV Patrol. Ikaw na. Hindi ka ba na, like, may confusion ba when it comes to, okay, kailan ako mag-jigs, kailan ako mag-switch ng character?
Luckily naman, for each show that I'm, you know, a part of, very distinct naman yung character. So meron isang gusto maging director na he's still learning himself emotionally, may isang obsessed na stalker, na halos psychopath na, tapos may isang inaapi lang ng frat. So those are all very different and distinct naman. But, syempre there are times na, there was this week kasi where I had shot all 3 shows all in 1 week. Tapos medyo doon ako nahirapan i-gauge yung minsan lumalabas si Jigs dito kay Wesley, lumalabas si Jigs masyado kay Wesley, or vice versa. So, it's a matter of, I think, understanding lang yung character mo.
It's different. Kudos to yung hirap ng ginagawa mo. Hindi ko kaya yun, kaya nga nag-host ako eh.